chase the fading sunsets, laughter in the breeze, barefoot on quiet fields where innocence was free. Now distance holds the spaces where we used to play, but those bright echoes never truly fade away. Though years may stretch between us, memory stays true. The spirit of our friendship shines forever true. In every laugh and shadow, every place we knew, our stories beat together, timeless and inner. Time pulled us down new roads, far from the old park. Yet childhood stories still live deep inside my heart. No matter where we wander or the dreams we chase, the bond we built remains, a light time can't erase.